This is a 2012 Honda CR-V, a great blend of utility, comfort, and style. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a power sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a security system, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, a second-row folding seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. This Honda has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Sims Honda is located at 1615 South Goldenrod Road in Burlington. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.